speak English. So, you can help me for visit it.
Yes, you can.
Maybe you can introduce yourself first.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Let
wabarakatuh.
me introduce myself. My name is Ubaidullah Rokis, and you may call me Ubai and Ubaid. I'm from Kedundung, especially at Dalaman Kecobur, Dalaman Kecobur. And I first graduated from IAIN Madura, and then right now I just stay in my home.
So we can start the question. The first, what the important English language do you know it?
English language is very important. English language is number one that you should to study and that you should to learn. Because with English language you can know everything in this world. With English language you can go anywhere. You can go American, you can go England, and then you can go to German, and then if you go to Mecca, and Mecca is special about Arabic. But if you know English language, you can do everything over there. And English language is be some international be international language. You know that? Yes. And okay, English language is the international language, right? English is international language. I have story for you, and you can be motivated for you all. I have friend, and know it was good. I have friend, and he is Cruz, Cruz, and he was studying Paris with me. Maybe I sent Paris in 1 month, in Ramadan month. And right now he was to be first, and then he can go anywhere with English language. We thought, and he didn't out of a lot of money. He just get English language, and then he can be traveling in the world. Camping, I think like that. Session.
How to speak English well or worse?
Speak English, actually, it's so easy, right? It's so easy. Maybe if there's some student learn English language just 1 month, I believe that he can speak English well. But the important thing is, if you know English language, you can always speak it. First step is speaking, and then you can learn about the grammar. You can memorizing about the vocabularies and others. But the first thing is speaking. Maybe you can learn English language. It's not always in school. It's not always in Paris. It's not always in course and others. You can learn English language from YouTube, and you can learn English language in your mobile phone and others. And so, how to speak English well? Maybe you can always speaking with your friends. You can always practice your English language. Like that.
Like the best your experience when you choose study English language?
Best experience, right?
Yes.
Best experience, English language is crazy, because if you don't want to crazy, if you want to if you want to be crazy in this in the English language, you can know about English language. I did stand in front of people in Paris. I did stand in front of people in Paris and with a crowd people. And then some mister ordered to me to speech in front of people. Yes, like crazy people. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And yeah, a lot of people love me, and then I did stand in front of people in Paris. You know, in Kampung English Paris.
Okay.
English Paris over there. I stand and I should to load my voice, and then I start the speech. And other people look at me with small face, my face, and for me, it's not problem for me. It's not problem for me because yeah, what I see, English language is crazy. Some right now. This is crazy. This is actually this is crazy. This tax is crazy because I know that he has friends like you will and then like the cameraman. I don't know. Actually, I don't know them, but because this is English language, it's first to you and first to me to the finish distance. Yes.
Yes.
But, okay, and then this question.
What thing can we right now?
What thing I can't reach right now? Just one. I don't engagement. I don't have wife, and I don't have a lot of money, and apa ya? Please stop it. Yeah. And I can reach the happy experience. But the priority, what should I reach is I should to have the money and I should to reach the wife with soleh. I feel like that. Clear? Understand?
Last question, maybe you have motivation for us.
Motivation for you all. Keep spirit to learn. Keep spirit to reach your dream, because you're still younger, right? Still younger, and you have a lot of chance to do everything. You have a big chance to make your process. It's so good for your life. You know, if you do pass the process, you can reach your future with the good future maybe. If you don't, if you do some process from right now, you can reach the good future in the past era. I think like that, and I think enough for me. I'm sorry if you have checked for me, and the later this. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you for your time. Because we finished our task in accordance.